Hello and welcome to Weekly Code, the show where I introduce or rework an algorithm from previous episodes just to encourage the practice of coding. This week we're going to be looking at a problem we had in week 1 where we were finding the length of a binary number. In the previous episode, you know what I'm saying. The previous episode that we are talking about, we were focusing on that first function. And yes, I've changed these around a bit, so they're a little bit different. Now, what we're going to do with the first function is we're going to benchmark, something that is clearly missing from the first episode. And I should do this for every episode, and I think I will do this for every episode because it's just that important. And we're going to run at a length of 10,000. Okay, this will take a little bit. Now, the explanation for this is in the other episode. You can see this. I bring up the OEIS to show you what's going on. And as you can see, we have an average of 28.169 microseconds shown in the green. Secondly, we have this bin link short. This is the new function. This is identical, except slightly, ever so slightly faster. Except slightly, ever so slightly faster. Basically, what we do is we bit shift left until in this case, we exponentiate it by 2 until the I surpasses the bin num. I am not using my mouse, I should be. Until the I surpasses the bin num, and this will add the integer to the final number every time it bit shifts, in which by the time it's done we have the iteration, and that should be obvious in how that works. I shouldn't need to bring up the OEIS. I'll go ahead and benchmark the first one. I should mention that all of these are ON. None of these are going way out of their way to do things. It's all just ON, so it is a pretty good function, I think. Looking at the mean here, we have a much smaller mean, much faster. 206.426 nanoseconds with a maximum of 556.399 nanoseconds. I should remark this is smaller than microseconds, so yeah. Okay, and just to prove that the other one is faster, let's go ahead and pull out the shift. Okay, cool. We have... It is, in fact, faster by about 4 nanoseconds. So yeah, if you really want to get that speed in there, you go with the bit shift. Yeah, it's just a neat little thing. There wasn't much to show here. It's just how it obviously was. What I should have done is finish the other function, but I decided not to because it seemed irrelevant, considering that one would obviously use 2 for loops and it'd just be a worse function anyway, and it'd kind of be redundant in how it would work, at least with the way I've laid this out here. So, you know. But that's week 5. If you enjoy my content, I have a Discord. You can join below. Few other things, few other links you can look at down below. Thanks for watching.